Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a summer essential for the little ones, the best gas and go mower by Tikes. Whether your toddler is already showing interest in gardening or just loves outdoor play, this toy promises hours of fun and imagination. Let's break down why it's become a favorite among parents. First off, let's talk about what makes this gas and go mower so special. Designed for kids aged 18 months and older, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. And get this, no batteries needed. It's all mechanical, which means it's ready to go whenever your little one is. Now, let's zoom in on its features. As your child pushes the mower, colorful beads pop, adding a delightful element to their playtime. Pull the cord and hear realistic engine sounds, making it feel just like the real thing. Plus, there's a clicking key and a movable throttle, so they can really get into the role of mowing the lawn. Quality matters, especially when it comes to toys for our kids. The gas and go mower is built tough with sturdy materials, ensuring it withstands even the most enthusiastic play sessions. It's also lightweight and easy for little hands to maneuver, promoting both physical activity and imaginative play. Beyond just fun, this mower offers some great educational benefits. It encourages motor skills development and fosters a sense of responsibility as kids take care of their lawn. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to basic concepts of gardening and outdoor chores in a safe and engaging manner. Now, for all you parents out there, let's address some practical aspects. It's easy to clean, which is a huge plus after outdoor play sessions. And with its durable construction, you can be confident it'll last through multiple seasons of playtime adventures. In conclusion, the Tikes gas and go mower is not just a toy, it's an experience. From its realistic features to its sturdy build, it's clear why it's a favorite among kids and parents alike. If you're looking to spark your child's imagination and encourage active play, this mower is a fantastic choice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights and reviews. Until next time, happy mowing!